Great job. So let's go ahead and start with side posture first. I'm gonna have you lay on your side facing this way for me, please. You lifting a lot today?
Not horrible amounts, but...
Big deep breath in and out. Good, right there. Great job. And other side for me, nice and slow. Okay, this one's straight here. Good. Right there. Another big deep breath in and out. Great job. And stomach. Nice and easy, big deep breath in and out. Great job. And you can flip for me. You said shoulders doing pretty good today?
Yeah, that I can just like kind of feel them.
Okay,
So,
let's adjust those today too. Going to relax for me. Good job. More. Excellent. You stay right there. These shoulders. Arm relax for me. Great job. Drop. One more. Nice. Let's do the other one. Excellent. Okay, don't work too hard.